Today we have a video from Bodycam Raw, Wisconsin, and the title of the video is Woodman's Shoplifting Arrest Gets Weird Fast.
September 28th, 2025, Onalaska, Wisconsin. Officers responded to Woodman's after employees detained a woman identified as Julia for attempting to leave without paying for merchandise. When the officer arrived, Julia was seated in the store office with two employees. The officer noted that his body camera initially failed to activate while he attempted to gather her identification information. Another officer arrived on scene shortly afterward and recognized Julia from prior contacts, helping confirm her identity.
Oh, she's a regular with law enforcement, huh? Hey. Zoa, you know who owned that, man. The final boss, man. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, okay?
Police say Julia was immediately uncooperative. When asked for her last name and date of birth, she reportedly gave inconsistent answers, sarcastic responses, and made several unusual comments during the interaction. Although the officer's camera wasn't working, the store was able to obtain footage of Julia striking the officer in the jaw.
I said my camera.
2 copies, son.
Perfect.
Oh, that camera and that camera.
Old-timer officer.
Yeah,
That's your paper.
Thanks. My camera didn't turn on when I tried to flip it on, so.
Oh.
Story of my life this week, I swear. I'm only 2 days into it.
Luckily, we got good cameras.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
Well, not quite the people's elbow, but you know.
Hey, not quite the people's elbow. See, shout out to The Rock, man. I don't know if y'all seen this. It might be a little small, so let me run it back. I'm going to run it back on the bigger screen.
That was a good elbow. Not quite the people's elbow, but you know. Throwing that against a guy that's at least what your size is not a good call.
No.
She did one of them Victor Wembanyama moves.
I'm like, who can I see a kid go fast? Big money moves because they know how to pay attention to the gas, the line.
She what? She's elbowed me in the face. I punched her in the face.
Oh God, what the fuck are you jerking me around for? What did I steal? I'm like, okay, you have all these expensive items in here. You should be able to take that card. It looks like a phone, but it's a card. Nigga, you hear me? Y'all be trying to spend the money fast enough, bitch, but don't realize where the fuck you're taking it from. Don't look through my shit. Oh, bro, you an illegal shirt. Bitch, that's not even the fucking tag that they wear in Onalaska, so you're a fake cop. I've been, all the Onalaska police know me, first of all. Know that, what are you doing? Stop fucking with my bag. Oh, bro. Nope, why is he going through my bag?
Just make sure you don't have any stolen merchandise.
It's gonna,
like that.
You hear me? Okay, where are the tax receipts for that?
Police searched Julia's bags and located alcohol that had also been stolen from the store. Julia had attempted to steal over $100 worth of merchandise.
You feel me? This town bench shut down because of...
I would say yes.
Possibly. Because, you know, it's been a very long time since my family's been able to fund. Yes. You feel me?
For sure.
Yep. Guess what? Those are me too. Yep. And the scripts, yep, they're in Walgreens too. Look. You can go to Walgreens and look it up, and yep, you will find me. You can see. Yeah, I say everything. You know what that means? This is a distribute center of lots of everything. Yes, you know how many different types of fucking materials and items and things come through this bitch?
Right there.
Lots of them, lots of things. What the fuck? And you don't want to, when it comes to shit like that, you have to know, you have to been and traveled the world, you feel me? Being different countries, different regions, different time zones, different thinking. So, what does that mean? What the fuck are passports for? Why the fuck if you have a felony, why can't you go to some country? What the fuck? Why do you have to do tests before you leave? What the fuck? News mom's from Thailand. You know how the fuck hard y'all affect seeing, vision, thinking. What the fuck? Don't start looking for that because I'm homeless and you know the correcting thing. We're not gonna do this, bro. And that's not even the right fucking patch that you're supposed to be wearing in Alaska. So I'm gonna need somebody to let me call the Alaska police now. Cause you're a fake officer bro, and that's a big ass charge. Yep, hello. Yep, guess what? Venom. Look at the colleges and lacrosse, please. Yes, you see these colors? Venom goes through this.
You want to throw your sandal in? Here.
No, they're saying. You said what?
You want to throw your other sandal in here?
Me.
You got
Yes, yup. What it do? Yes.
Julia,
Also, you feel me? Lacrosse is one of the top 5 with alcohol. You feel me? You know, good.
I feel you.
For safety, cocaine. Guess what? And they work together. So I mean, when people are out here getting smacked and done up, it's because they don't know how to shut the fuck up and act. Bitch, bro, no, dead ass. What the fuck? Y'all be trying to hurry up and spend the money because when the when the dealers come up here and see it's not right, then it's like, fuck, now I'm in trouble. How though? Really? I look at the gas prices. At me like he's gonna plunk up. I'm like, that's a big thing, you know?
Gas
I'm like,
prices?
bringing a bunch of.
We're going to go this second one.
I want to know what I'm getting arrested for.
Well, as far as I'm aware, retail theft.
But okay, so I'm wondering how it's even possible to have all these items in here. You feel me? But not the the proper equipment to pay for it. So now there's a bunch of different fucking countries up here, and I'm supposed to be the one explaining it. You think my mom's gonna be out here trying to take care of a bunch of ungrateful, no good ass people?
Yeah,
bro, this is the town.
I imagine probably not.
We have smart doctors in this bitch. What is you saying? Bro, we literally, that's crazy, yeah.
All right, hang tight for me, okay? I'm gonna wait till we get your backpack so we'll get rolling.
Yeah, you feel me? Going through those and looking at it and not realizing what it is, it's gonna be crazy because, can you turn on the aircon?
Yeah, absolutely.
Authorities also stated that Julia was already out on 6 separate bonds at the time of the incident.
What the fuck? 6? Who's the bondsman that keep bonding her out, man? 6? Damn.
You fucking are trying to beat the politic? Yeah, it makes it worse. Yeah. If you're trying to think you're the one, you can mean you don't even watch the news or pay attention to the prices, gas prices. Oh God, it makes it worse. Oh God, Lord Jesus Christ. It's so much worse. It's like, what am I getting charged for?
Retail theft, bail jumping. Hang on, I gotta grab your. I gotta grab your bags back here.
That's why I know you shouldn't be arresting me because they know I have this card, so they're supposed to at least have the ATM so I can tap it on there. So like that's gonna be a big. I should be able to pay my thing.
Take a seat on the bench. You were saying you.
Julia was ultimately charged with battery to law enforcement, resisting or obstructing an officer, retail theft, and misdemeanor bail jumping. She was issued a $2,500 cash bond with conditions. Records later show the charges in that case were dismissed but read in as part of the case resolution. Court records also show additional legal trouble in the prior and following months, many including retail theft. In December 2025, January, and April of 2026, Julia was charged yet again with misdemeanor retail theft as a repeat offender. Those cases remain open. Thanks for watching. And
I'm not gonna lie. That's sickening. How can you get someone on video elbowing or hitting an officer and not get dropped? That's the worst part. Like I'm like, how's you have it on video, like a good video, not the body cam, because sometimes the body cam don't get everything. You have an outside camera that full on, she winded up and elbowed. She did one of these, man. I'm gonna show you right now what she did, man. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna show you right now what she did. Lock in with me, all right? Lock in. We locking in today. Let's see. Let's see. This is exactly what she did. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. I gotta mute the audio just in case they try to copyright your boy. You know what I'm saying? Let me mute it real quick. But this is what she did, man. This is what she did, man. This is what she did. We gotta get can we get a replay? Okay. Yeah. That's what she did. She hit him with the Victor Wembanyama. And that gets dropped? That gets dropped? That's crazy. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.